Do you want to keep your skin looking young, fresh, and wrinkle-free without expensive treatments? If yes, you're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful home remedies that help reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin naturally. These remedies use simple yet highly effective ingredients that boost collagen, restore hydration, and protect your skin from aging. Stay with me till the end because the 5th remedy is a game changer. Let's dive in. Remedy number 1, anti-aging face mask. This DIY face mask is packed with hydration and antioxidants to instantly tighten, nourish, and brighten your skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon yogurt for natural exfoliation and hydration. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric for reduces fine lines and boosts glow. 1 teaspoon honey for locks in moisture and prevents wrinkles. Mix everything well and apply a thin layer to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for smoother, firmer skin. Remedy number 2, natural collagen booster. Collagen is the secret to plump, youthful skin, but as we age, our body produces less of it. This collagen boosting drink helps restore elasticity from the inside out. 1 cup warm water, 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon flax seeds, 1 teaspoon honey. Stir well and drink every morning on an empty stomach. Over time, your skin will feel firmer, brighter, and more youthful. Remedy number 3, hydrating skin elixir. Dryness makes your skin look older, so keeping it hydrated is key. This natural skin elixir deeply moisturizes and restores glow. 1 teaspoon rosehip oil for reduces wrinkles and improves skin texture. 2 drops vitamin E oil to protect against aging. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel for soothes and hydrates. Mix everything and massage it onto your face before bed. Wake up with soft, glowing skin. Remedy number 4, powerful wrinkle reducer. This simple homemade serum smooths wrinkles and gives your skin an instant lift. 2 tablespoons cucumber juice for tightens and refreshes skin. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel for deeply hydrates and repairs skin. 2 drops almond oil for reduces fine lines and boosts glow. Dip a cotton pad into the mixture and apply it to your face before bed. Use daily for best results. Remedy number 5, overnight glow secret. This is the ultimate anti-aging trick that works while you sleep. 1 teaspoon green tea extract, 1/2 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Massage a few drops onto your face before bed and wake up with fresh, glowing skin. Final tips for ageless skin. Now that you know these 5 powerful home remedies, here are a few extra anti-aging tips to maximize results. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Get enough sleep, your skin repairs itself overnight. Eat anti-aging foods like avocados, nuts, and berries. Always wear sunscreen to prevent premature wrinkles. Which of these remedies are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing home remedies. See you in the next video.